Hi there, students. To will somebody on. Okay, this means to wish intensely for them to succeed. This is something that's silent and going on in your head. It's a bit like physically cheering inside your head. So, for example, my brother has an interview today, and I will be willing him on. Go on, get the job, go on, do it, you can do it. So it's like supporting somebody, but this is something silent. This isn't something that you're actually saying. In the fight, I was willing the underdog on, because I like underdogs, and the big guy was just too cocky. So I was strongly wanting the underdog to win. I bet £20 on a horse, and I spent the whole race willing it on. I wasn't cheering, go on, but I was inside. Okay, this comes from the verb to will, to intensely desire, to wish, to intend, but by the power of your mind, by your volition. Yes, I know you can't actually do anything, but at least you could try. So, I don't know, for example, I was willing the cup to rise up from the table and show my magic powers. It wasn't going to work, was it? But at least I could will it to happen. Okay, so notice, to will somebody to do something, I really want them to do it. I was willing him to give me the day off. But to will on, to do this supporting somebody. Yes, go on, you can do it. One of my colleagues started telling the boss about all the dreadful things the company do to its employees, and everyone else was willing him on. Go on, do it. I think they were all frightened they'd be sacked, but at least someone had the balls to do it. Okay, so to will someone on, you could will something on as well, I guess. I was willing the horse on. I was willing the cyclist on. So maybe when there's a test match in the cricket, you're willing on your team. You really want them to win, and you go on. But this is something silent and internal. So, what about formality? I guess this is neutral, maybe slightly informal. It's definitely good for an informal conversation. I think maybe in a formal setting, desiring him to succeed. Internally wanting him to be successful. Something like that I would use. So maybe just a little bit on the formal side. Just keep it off the very formal work. So, to will somebody on, notice as well, it's separable. I willed him on, and to will is a regular verb. Willed, I was willing him on. Okay, so to will somebody on, to intensely think about them winning and wishing and supporting them in your mind. You're mentally cheering for them, if you like. Okay, so you are willing them on. So there you go. Maybe you'll will me on to make some more videos for tomorrow. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To will somebody on.